Check the entire delivery path. Measure each door from the jamb to the door. If it's too narrow, measure from jamb to jamb and plan to remove the door. Check hallways and stairs for shelves, hand railings, or other obstructions. Don't forget the landing. It takes extra clearance to turn the corner. Check the final location. Measure the width to make sure there is enough space for both the washer and dryer. Allow at least 5 inches for plumbing and venting in the back. Look out for side entry door clearance. Allow room for pedestal installation and opening of top loading washer lid. Take extra care when measuring for any special installations, such as a stacked pair or closet installation. Dimensions vary based on model. Check with your sales representative or visit lg.com for more information about dimensions and accessories.